Hey guys, Chris here, and Ethereum is down around 10% today. But when it comes to cryptocurrencies, that is expected. There is a lot of volatility. But Ethereum is one of the top 4 most traded cryptocurrencies out right now, and is based on market cap. It has a huge market dominance in the cryptocurrency realm. But Ethereum is way different from Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, XRP, or any of these other cryptocurrencies. Ethereum is up and coming and has the potential to reach Bitcoin prices later on in the future. And something big just happened in regards to Ethereum, and I want to update you guys on what exactly is going on, because this is going to be the first major step moving forward for Ethereum. As always, I always try to give you guys the most up-to-date information I possibly can to make sure you guys are the most up-to-date. And if this is something you like, you do enjoy, and like this sort of content, please remember to give me a big thumbs up. It does help me out. So without further ado, guys, let's talk about Ethereum. So Ethereum right now has a price of $2,080.66. The 24-hour percent change has been down 14.17% and has a market cap of $240.34 billion. Now, this 14.17%, guys, don't worry about that one too much, because all of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Stellar, all these cryptocurrencies have been down all of today. Okay, that's because a lot of hype has been going on with Dogecoin, huge sell-off with Dogecoin, a huge sell-off for a lot of cryptocurrencies. Okay, but when it comes to huge selling offs, that could probably be a great buying opportunity for a lot of crypto investors. Now look, it dropped down to 16.38%. Now I'm not saying it could drop down more, or it could just start shooting up from this point on, but just remember, when it comes to cryptos, there's a lot of volatility, but that does not mean you should steer away from cryptocurrencies. Now, year to date, Ethereum has returned 210.26% for any Ethereum holder. So anybody that started the year off putting money into Ethereum, congratulations on your 210% returns. Congratulations on the types of profits and the type of investments. If you guys made a whole bunch of money, comment down below what price target you actually got into Ethereum. Now, when it comes to the technical analysis, guys, you can see right here the trading volume. Over almost $1 billion of Ethereum have been either bought or sold and even traded throughout the whole 24 hours, okay? Now, the technical analysis part, in the past 7 days, you can see that there has been a huge run up right here, a huge positive sign for a lot of investors, right? Huge positive sign around this line, right? And there has been this sell-off that is currently happening right now. So this right here, this run up, is because a lot of hype going on with Dogecoin and Bitcoin and all these other cryptos, but that is strongly and benefiting Ethereum long term. And many people are wondering, is this run up going to continue to happen? And in my opinion, when it comes to cryptocurrency, a lot of people don't even think about Bitcoin Cash, even though that's the second most heavily traded crypto in the world. It always be Bitcoin versus Ethereum. But I believe Ethereum has the potential to actually start to reach Bitcoin prices because of what exactly is going on. For example, one of the biggest things that actually did happen is Ethereum Bonanza. I don't know if I said that word right. As 3 North American Ethereum ETFs have been approved in one single day. Okay, that is major. One of the first ETFs for Bitcoin was released about a month and a half ago, maybe 2 months ago, and that already reached more than $1 billion in assets. Okay, now Ethereum is the next up and coming cryptocurrency that could really benefit from this ETFs. Now there's 3 opportunities and 3 different chances for people to invest in Ethereum without investing into Ethereum, by investing to the ETF that has a whole abroad of information and things related to Ethereum. Canadian stock market investors will soon have a wide range of options to choose from when it comes to Ethereum's ETFs, and that is major, guys. Purpose Investments, Evolve ETFs, and CI Global Assets Management were all approved by Canadian regulators to launch Ethereum-backed ETFs today. Now, when it comes to Purpose Investments, if you guys have heard about it, Purpose Investment is the same one that made their Bitcoin ETF. Now, these 3 ETFs, they came all together at one time, were approved all in one time, to make sure it was fair. Nobody had an unfair advantage. When the Bitcoin ETF came out, a lot of people started buying the very first ETF for Bitcoin and already had $1.3 billion in assets. But then it was unfair for the other people that released a couple of days ago and only attracted $100 million in assets, okay? And that is huge. So these 3 were approved at the same time to make sure there was no biasness and everything was strictly fair for everybody. And in my opinion, I think that was the right way to go, because when it comes to the very first one, for the very first ETF that comes out, you're probably going to buy the very first player that comes out regards to Ethereum, right? Ethereum is the next up and coming. Now, these ETFs will start getting traded on April 20th. 420, and a lot of people are extremely excited about it because that's a day that Elon Musk is going to really, enjoy because of his marijuana culture connection. I just thought that was pretty funny that they mentioned Elon Musk and 420. I have no idea what that has to do with it, but there it is, right? Now, Canadian stock market has already demonstrated a significant appetite for exposure to all of cryptocurrency assets. The previous ETF of Ethereum products led to market halts on the first day of listing, and Purpose Bitcoin's ETF cracked $100 million in the first day of trading. So if this happens for Ethereum as well, $100 million of assets will be put into Ethereum. And if that does happen on 420, Ethereum could potentially start to skyrocket and potentially start to give a lot of investors great and awesome returns. Okay, now what I just said is strictly speculation, but it also depends on the type of demand Ethereum has. If people believe in Ethereum, more people will start to buy into this ETFs. Now, which one of the three will be better? That will also depend on what type of assets will be included. But when it comes to the Ethereum ETFs, guys, that's a pretty good opportunity. If you don't want to buy directly to the Ethereum, you could buy into the ETF and at the same time invest into Ethereum, the Ethereum Cash, and everything that Ethereum actually, portrays. Because Ethereum is more technology and has fast transactions. It's just that Bitcoin is the first major player that came onto the market. But Ethereum is slowly creeping behind and catching up to Bitcoin. There are even some investors that are predicting that Ethereum could probably reach $3,000 because there is no significant signs of resistance when they put it on their charts. Now, when their charts coming in, there are no signs of resistance. So Ethereum could potentially reach $3,000 on 420, maybe even farther along. It could reach $3,000 because there's no signs of resistance, right? Now, when will it reach 3,000? Who knows when it comes to cryptos. Who knows if I ever reach Bitcoin numbers, but Ethereum has, great things ahead of them. The ETFs are coming out. Many people are more bullish on all of cryptos and Ethereum especially. And more analysts are predicting that Ethereum could probably reach $3,000 to even $5,000 a coin, and that is extremely profitable for a lot of investors if that does happen. Like, don't try to get too greedy when it comes to crypto because it has extremely a lot of volatility. Just yesterday when Dogecoin was up 50%, now it's down 30%. You're always gonna have that type of volatility. But when it comes to Ethereum and the type of price potential that it has, guys, right now it's at $2,000 flat, let's say, right? And if it could return you guys 33%, if it could reach $3,000, would you invest into it? Okay, now I'm not trying to be biased and try to convince you guys to buy into Ethereum because I'm not a financial advisor or nothing. It's just I'm strictly telling you guys what I'm investing in. I'm invested into Ethereum, I'm invested into Bitcoin, or like all these cryptocurrencies. But Ethereum does have the potential to probably reach Bitcoin numbers. For example, Bitcoin right now is trading around $53,535. Okay, they have a market cap of $1 trillion. If Ethereum could somehow 4x this and become a $1 trillion market cap crypto, would you invest into it? If you believe in Ethereum long term, if you believe Ethereum could reach a $1 trillion market cap, Ethereum is a great opportunity to buy right now, even when it's down 16.51%, okay? Even if it did gain 206%, do you believe it will drop 100%? Do you believe it will gain 100%? It all depends on the type of mindset you guys have. Like right now it's below $2,000. Like this is how much, this is the type of volatility cryptos have. But if you could hold any sort of cryptos, all right? And if the crypto has a great, model behind them, and a great model and vision in front of them, this crypto, in my opinion, especially Ethereum, has a huge and great potential to keep on continuing to grow. Okay, guys, so I hope you guys did enjoy this short video on Ethereum, and I hope that you guys on these 3 ETFs that did get approved regards to Ethereum, and get ready for 420, April 20th, because that's going to be a major day for Ethereum because of the ETFs. All right, guys, so I hope you guys did enjoy the video. If you guys did enjoy the video, please remember to give me a big thumbs up. It does help out the channel. If you guys want to be part of our growing community, please remember to subscribe down to the channel as well. So, all right, guys, thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Salutes to you all, and peace out. See you guys next time. Bye.